In today's video, we look at the top 5 action cameras that are not the Osmo Action. That's right, the top 5 action cameras.
There's 7 there.
Bring in the sound effect, big bass. Ready? Ready, do it again.
Yeah.
Did you do the bass?
Yeah, I did. I did the face as well. I did the bass face. We got sent this one, and then the rest of them are the ones that are so cheap that we could actually buy them.
You know, and that doesn't make it a bad thing for a review, does it?
Did they want it back?
Don't worry about it just yet.
Is the GoPro Hero 7 Black in there?
No, we gave it away. We're gonna take you on that journey through the eye of the action camera for you to decide our decision.
They're not going to decide, are they? Let's be honest. We're going to pretend that they're involved in this, but really,
Yeah,
we're just going to go the expensive one's the best one.
Don't say
Gear
pretend.
matters.
Don't say pretend.
No.
You're involved in this journey with us, where ultimately we'll decide.
So challenge 1 for our top 5, actually it's 7 of the best, probably not the best, just the cheapest action cameras that we can use to show you which ones are probably okay and which ones are crap, is how to get them all in the same shot.
I mean,
We've got to build some kind of rig for this.
I'm not going to carry it like this then.
No, I don't think that's going to work, because look.
So, step 1, building the rig. As with all challenges, you need someone that's skilled, someone that's experienced. You want a go-getter. And my go-getter is AJ. AJ, practice your DIY skills and make a rig.
I'm a go-getter.
That was my
I'm a go-getter.
That was my link to you.
What am I doing?
Well, you're just going to make a rig.
This is a light stand.
It's all we got. Just make a rig, action cam rig.
And then I just attach them all to that, and we've got like a selfie stick.
That'll do it.
Come back to me.
Okay, 5 minutes.
30 seconds.
I mean, please tell me that's not it.
What's that? Yeah, look at it. This is the ultimate 7 camera rig. How about that?
That is horrific.
Unbelievable.
Those brands will never deal with us, ever.
I think they'll be mightily impressed that we managed to get such. And you know what the great thing about this is? Not only can I shoot 7 things at once, but I can spin this around and vlog for days.
That's it. We're done. We're over. We're finished. No brands will ever deal with us again.
I mean, come on. When you said AJ build a rig, bet you didn't expect this.
Yeah, I definitely. I know you're like a yes man. I say, AJ, can we do it? And you say, yeah, we can do it. I mean, why didn't you use the friction mounts?
That's a really good idea. Now I've made my awesome action camera, 7 action camera, cheapest action camera rig, is to test these out in a vlogging scenario. Which one of these is best for vlogging in 2019? I know you're going to go, oh, GoPro Hero 7 Black, but we gave it away, so it's going to have to be one of these instead. You definitely don't have an Osmo Action.
No, they
left a space for it.
Well, they refused to deal with us. They said we were too small.
Too small?
Yeah.
They haven't seen the size of my rig then, have they?
Yeah, they're going to regret not sending it after this video.
They're going to regret it. DJI, if you're watching, look at what you could have been involved with. Well, onto the... I've got to switch 7 cameras on, haven't I? Oh, I've taped over the buttons.
Oh, for goodness.
We've got the not Polaroid something.
Right, it's like a spy camera.
Yeah, we've got the Dragon Touch 4K.
Right,
quality.
That's good.
The Uten, whatever.
Yeah.
That one. The Olfie from the UK.
Which is looking nice, flashing.
Flashing away. This came in an unmarked box just called Sports Camera.
Oh, that's
But it's
good.
pink. The tried and tested SJ Cam, everyone loves them. And the Victure, which actually got sent to us the other day. So the purpose of this test is to see which one in a real world situation is going to be best for vlogging. Vlogging's about moving, so are you ready for this, Pete?
Oh,
We're going to see the rig in full action. Vlog mode. Follow me. And we're just going to walk and talk. The lighting's going to change. Got to watch out for the door frames and the radius. I kind of underestimated how big this was.
I mean, you're barely going to get that down the corridor.
It's alright. Look at it though. Vlog Life, all I need is a boosted board. Vlog Life. I don't know why more creators don't do this. Okay, terrible, really bad, okay, terrible, terrible. Probably doesn't even have a microphone. There we go.
Oh.
Audio test done. But changing in lighting. Ooh. How does it cope? So yeah, I reckon that's vlogging done.
Right, come out here, because I need to have a word. I'm stopping this for a second.
Well, they're action cameras, aren't they?
But there's no action taking place. You said you're going to vlog with it.
Vlog with it.
But you didn't actually test the audio out for vlogging.
No. Well, no one really cares, do they? Well, everyone's on about the Osmo Action and the GoPro Hero 7 Black and how good they are at stabilising footage.
Yeah, yeah.
I reckon these are just as good.
Well, the Alfie's pretty good. I don't know about the others. Have they got stabilisation?
Well, this one doesn't, but we built a little cradle for it, so...
So, on to the next stage of the action camera testing.
I'm just going to collapse this down to be a monopod.
Right, okay.
And then we'll test the stabilisation. Don't worry.
Oh dear.
There we go. Ah.
What was that? One of the cameras is out of the competition.
One of them is out.
Which one?
I don't know, because they all make the same noise, like they're made by the same person. So it could be any of them, apart from the Alfie, which is definitely on.
This is a stabilisation.
Stabilisation.
Okay, cool.
We're on this steady rig monopod here. Ready?
Go.
Follow me.
Which was good.
Stabilisation test 2. Do you want to do it POV this time rather than selfie style? See, the rig just turns around. Classic. Ready?
Right, good, yeah.
POV style. And go. So what do you think?
It's quite a unique test.
Yeah.
I don't believe I've never seen a test quite like it before.
A lot of creators will go out and do some hardcore action, but they're missing a trick. They don't even have to leave their studio.
I mean, what's next in this?
Action.
Action is always good as a test for action cameras. So,
Got an idea.
fire away.
Exactly.
Right,
Nerf gun.
yeah.
There's a target at the end. It's action, camera, action, camera, action.
Oh my lord. AJ, you've already started. You're missing. Ow. You didn't hit any. Right. Now this time it's more like a sniper rifle. AJ, you're missing. AJ, try and aim higher.
Higher.
Higher. Right, ow. AJ. I mean, the issue I had was I wanted scientific.
Well, look at that. That's a scientific tool. Measurements.
I've looked at that, and that's the problem, AJ. We've created a video with gaffer tape.
You said
Compare the footage.
make a rig. I made a rig. 7 cameras.
Right.
Not all of them survived the test. Did you learn anything?
Nothing. What I've learned is action cameras, unless you're really into doing something that's active,
Yeah.
don't bother.
What's your favourite?
I don't think it will come as much of a surprise.
Well, that's awkward.
Well, it's interesting you asked my favourite, AJ, because I'm always one of those that's all about impartiality. I think they're all good.
Yeah. You didn't send stuff.
No, it's just one I picked up.
If you've never had a camera before and you bought this one, you'd probably never buy a camera again because you'd be so disappointed.
And hate life. If you hate life, that's the camera for you.
Right, okay, so the Dragon Touch, the Utech, and the SJ Cam, and the unnamed one, all seem to be the same camera with a different name. They've even got the same buttons.
Yeah, They feel the same. They're in the same chassis almost. Very little
Same
difference.
menu sounds and everything.
Weird that.
Then you got this one, the Victor, which is alright.
I liked the fact that that gave audio prompts to what you're supposed to do.
That's true. And then, as Pete says, it's no surprise that our favourite one is the one that costs the most and we got sent for free.
Make of that what you will.
We got sent this. It's our favourite because it's expensive.
If you want to be our favourite, send it to us if it's expensive
Yeah.
and we don't have to pay for it.
Yeah.
And you'll be the winner of our next shootout, which will obviously be high quality and a worthy review.
Do you think they'll send us the Osmo Action?
Let's do an appeal. Dear DJI, think of us on your next product release and you can have a bit of this action. Unfortunately, you didn't make our top pick of 2019 cameras. You could have. We even left space for you.
Right here.
But you ignored our email.
Yeah. In fact, I phoned them. They told us to stop calling them.
Thanks for watching. We hope you found this video interesting, engaging, and educational. And
they've also learnt how to make a rig for 7 cameras.
So there you go.
Win-win. If you want the schematics of this, I'll put it available on our Patreon.
That's been our top 5 that started off as 7 action cameras for 2019 that aren't the Osmo Action. Thanks for watching. We appreciate it. Was purely for clickbait, just to get your views. And yeah, we'll be back on Friday for a tutorial.
Ooh, tutorial.
See you then.
Oh, hi there. I didn't see you come in my back doors. Have you joined the Watermelon Squad yet? Yes, the Filmmakers Club, where you get monthly access to our filmmaking assets. At the moment, that's our copyright-free music library of up to 700 songs, royalty-free, for you to use in your videos that are almost as awesome as this one. So if you haven't signed up yet, what are you waiting for? Join now and we can buy more lights like this, and build more rigs like this.
You still call it the Watermelon Squad. It's the Filmmakers Club.
Watermelon Squad.
Other than that, it was good for
yeah.
an advert. It was
Okay,
alright.
yeah.
So now we can end the video. See you Friday.